Trims and finishing. Clip the 70 mm cover packers into the eaves beam at regular intervals. Select the eaves beam internal cover and position into the barbs on the eaves beam and press into place. Select the eaves beam 135-degree joint cover and press into place into the corner gaps between the eaves beam cover. Select the 135-degree corner post cover and push onto the leg of the post, and slide upwards until the front meets the eaves beam. Select the 90-degree corner post cover and push onto the leg of the post, and slide upwards until the front meets the eaves beam. Position an 18 mm coupling cover over the barbs on the inside of the post and push to fit. The 18 mm coupling covers will need trimming to fit underneath the external eaves beam trim and eaves beam cover. Select the 18 mm coupling covers and position onto the recesses of the sides of each quarter-turn button on the 18 mm inline couplings and push to fit. Repeat for each inline coupling and on the inside. Position the ridge internal cover beneath the serrated prongs of the aluminium ridge spacers. Push the internal ridge capping into position until it touches the bottom of the glazing bars on each side of the roof. Fitting the box gutter undercladding. Select the box gutter soffit trim and attach to the foot on the underside of the box gutter. Position the box gutter internal cladding into the gap between the box gutter soffit trim and the box gutter insulation. When in position, push the eaves beam internal cover into position. The internal boss end cover may need trimming. Bring it up to the boss end so that the end cover will fit tight against the rear face of the end boss. Use the 3.9 by 25 mm fixing screws and cup washer to fix the internal boss cover to the L bracket attached to the ridge assembly. Press the plastic screw cover in place. Fit the handles to all opening sashes using the 5 by 20 mm handle screws. Attach the sill end caps at the door using a bead of silicone. Silicone between the sill and dwarf wall.